What's up guys, I'm gonna show you how I made over $10,000 last month and how I bought myself this 23K Rolex. Also bought myself a house. This is on the live account. You can see real. Okay, this is the name of Nicholas Corner with me at goldenoptiontrading.com. I'm gonna show you the result and I'm gonna show you how where you can copy all these trades as well and copy the trade from a millionaire Forex trader. This is the fund of an investor's account that we got, and you can copy all our trade in our VIP Forex signals. You see we have over 500 VIP members and we're sending all the trade that we're taking. You see gold 100 pip, GBP GPY sell 45 pip, 90 pip, 185 pip. Alright, this is the kind of trade that we're taking. Click the link, swipe up to follow us and copy your signals.